Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video, I am going to show you the first of 3 looks I am going to do with the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. Look at her. She's gorgeous. Okay, this is also a well-loved palette. I have been digging into her since I got her, and I thought it would be fun to take palettes and do 3 different looks with one palette. Maybe 2 depending on the palette, but for sure at least more than 1 look, because who wants to spend $30 to $60 on a palette and be like, I can only really figure out 1 look to do with this. So I'm going to show you my first look. It's one of my favorites with this. Right now my face is done except for a highlighter. My eyebrows are done and my eyelids are prepped, primed, and set. And what I used for that is my you guys, I am struggling today. My MAC paint pot in Painterly to set my eyes with a primer, and then I set it on top of this with my Coty Airspun translucent powder. So we are ready to go in. So the first color I'm going to take is this color up here, and it is called Eden. It's kind of like a light peachy color, and I'm going to be using a Morphe E22 brush. It's like a really good transition brush. So, you know, I should just zoom you in. Why not? Hello there, Ambria. Okay, so I'm going to take it above the crease line and just go back and forth in the little windshield wiper motion, right? This color is so gorgeous, and it's a matte, and it just goes on so pretty. I really like this color a lot. I like it a lot. It's weird to see me. I usually do my eyeshadow first and then my other makeup, so it's like super duper strange to see almost full makeup, but no eye makeup. Like, it's a little scary. It's scary. And don't judge my brows. Like, they're a little weird today. I ran out of one of my favorite products, and so we were just making do. Now I've drawn attention to them, so everybody's gonna be looking at them, but that is what happened here. Okay, so now I've got that on both eyes. Now I'm gonna go in with this little brush, and it is my Morphe M441. These are brushes that I use pretty much daily. And I'm going to go in with this really pretty purple color called Amethyst. Hello, purple. You're gorgeous. You're gorgeous, darling. And it has a little bit of a shimmer. So we're going to kind of press on the outside and just take it into that crease. And I usually go just a little bit above my crease just because I have a little bit of a hooded lid. I guess it would be easier to watch in this mirror to see what I'm doing versus the camera. Hello. Okay. You guys, look how pretty that is. And I always tap my brush because you don't want that extra brush, especially if you, the extra eyeshadow, especially if you already have a full face of makeup like I do. You don't want that fallout really bad on your face. Now, some palettes you just can't avoid even if you tap it, which is okay. I mean, sometimes that's just the way the palette is, and if you know that, then you just don't do the face makeup first. So, look at that, that's so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to take a little bit of this dark color on the bottom called Saffron. Hello, Saffron. And we're going to do the same thing. Just bring it in a little bit. Here, a little bit more in. And a little bit under. Just to kind of darken that up. Oh goodness, I did dip in the wrong one. Oopsie poopsie. So here we go. Just to kind of make that a little bit more pinky. There we go. Look at that. That's so pretty. So the Huda Beauty company, or whoever makes this, Huda Beauty, came out with another Desert Dusk, like 2.0. This is the original. I guess so many people were kind of complaining about the formula of this palette. This is actually one of my favorite palettes, so I don't really know what the hype is. Sorry, I got a phone call. I don't really know what the hype is about why they made another one. All I know is there's a couple different colors. It looks like a couple different formulas, but I love this one. So, I mean, until I hit pan on a lot of these, I'm not going to be buying a new one. Okay, I'm going to go back in with that purpley amethyst color and just going over the top again where we originally put it, just to kind of make that purple stand out. Okay, does that make sense? Okay, there we go. So now what we're going to do, and this one is not from Huda Beauty, this is from Stila. This is their Magnificent Metals Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. And it is Sunset Cove. This is like a gorgeous purpley color. Pinky purple, iridescent glitter, magnificent metals. It's amazing. Okay, here we go. So what I'm going to do is put it on the corner of my lid right here. I'll get all the way into the corner. And the trick with these is if you don't want it just at the very bottom, open your eye. So you kind of get that natural, like where your crease is. And I'm just going to kind of like lightly touch it to the outside. Do you see how I did that? So it's going to be heavier on the inside and lighter on the outside. So we're just going to do the same thing on this side. And I should have enough on the other side of the brush to do the same thing. You guys, I have so many of these colors and they are so pretty. And there's just several of them that actually really would look good as this look. So, you know, there we go. That's so pretty. I love it. It's so pretty. Well, I'm a sucker for anything glittery anyway, so I don't care what age I am. I'll probably be in my 80s wearing the glitter because I love me some glitter. So I'm going to let that dry real quick. A little bit, but not too much. And I'm just going to take my finger and I'm going to go in with, because this is like a pressed glitter. This is color in Twilight. Look how pretty that is. I'm just going to take my finger. See? La, la, la. And I'm going to press it kind of on the outside where we kind of faded that and go all the way out. So same thing on this side. So where we kind of faded it and then kind of just blend it in and out so it doesn't look totally weird. I totally just tapped my finger. That's awesome. Okay, see that? Oh, that's so pretty. The last thing I need to do is I'm just going to take that normal blending brush that I have, the first one, the E22, and I'm going to go back in with the color Eden, which was that light color. And I'm just going to kind of sweep it all over. Just because it's such a good blending color, it's so neutral, just to kind of help the color that I just put in, the Twilight and everything, just kind of look, there you go, put together. So the next thing we need to do is the bottom. So I'm going to do the exact same look that I did on the top, on the bottom, the same color. So we're going to go in with Eden, and I have, this is like a little tight under eye brush, and it's from MAC. I don't remember the number. I'm so sorry. And the thing is, you really do want to tap this a lot, because especially if you're a contact wearer, you do not want the eyeshadow up in your eye. I promise. It messed up my day one day because I had eyeshadow just sitting on my contact. And then I'm going to go in with the amethyst. Oh, I think I have a little one coming. Might have to pause it. I'm going in with amethyst right underneath. Here we go. I'm not taking it, I'm taking it almost all the way over, but not 100% over to the end of my eye. And then I'm going to take the saffron that we put and do the same thing. Just kind of build that. Okay, and then what I like to do is take any kind of setting spray. This is the Max Fix Plus. I'm going to spray it on my brush. I'm going to dip into that Twilight, that really pretty shimmery color we did. And I'm going to do it from the corner of my eye out and kind of just blend it in. Uh-oh, hold on. Okay, sorry, I had a little visitor from my 3-year-old, so what I did is I finished off with that amethyst right here underneath my eye. I ended up putting on my eyeliner, which is just my Stila Stay All Day waterproof eyeliner. It is a felt tip black eyeliner. It is the easiest thing for me to use when I am trying to do a wing. I put on mascara on my top and bottom lashes, which I actually ended up using from Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. I just have like a little kit that I bought from Sephora that had a whole bunch of different types, and then you get one full-size product. And then I put on my highlighter, which is so worn already. It's Model's Own, and it's just like the prettiest color. I mean, look at that highlight. It's so good. And it is called Golden Sand. And then I set my face with powder, my Coty Airspun. I am going to go ahead and spritz with the Fix Plus. I do like to shake it up a little bit and just kind of spray it everywhere. I love it. I really want it to be glowy today. Oh, I did not add a corner highlight, which I feel like we should do. So we're just going to do a corner highlight real quick with the Model's Own highlighter I already wore. And I'm just going to take this teeny little baby brush, which is perfect for highlighting. It's an E36 brush from Morphe. So it's the perfect little baby brush for this corner highlight. There we go. Just a little bit, and maybe should do a little bit right here. Kapow. I mean, why not? Why not? I feel very glowy today anyways. And to finalize the look before I go ahead and do my hair is one of my favorite lipsticks. It's by Smashbox, and it is the BeLengendary Liquid Metal Lips. So this color is actually Haterade. It is a color that I think I've talked about before, but it is something that will not go with every skin tone because it is definitely orangey copper. I love this formula though, and if you want to try out something like this, the formula is amazing, and they have one called Mauve Squad that I think will pretty much look good on anybody. Okay. So mine is hair and jewelry situation. My look is done. So I'm going to go get my hair done, put some jewelry on, and then I've got places to go. So thank you so much for watching. I always get lipstick on my teeth, so I really hope that doesn't happen at the end of this video. I look forward to filming part 2 of this and do another creation with this wonderful Desert Dusk palette, you guys. It is one of my most expensive, one of my most expensive palettes, but I love it. I love her. She's gorgeous. And I'm not saying that you need to go out and buy it. There are lots of dupes, lots of amazing eyeshadow palettes out there that I am going to show you. But probably my next video coming out will be part 2 of the Huda Beauty look number 2. So thank you so much for watching, you guys. Please thumbs up my video, subscribe to my channel, click the little notification bell, because I guess YouTube, this is something new that I didn't know because I haven't been on very long since last fall. But they are changing the algorithms and everything of YouTube. So if you do not click that notification bell, you do not know when I upload a new video, and I'm going to try to do it a lot. So anyways, we'll see you next time.